If you want to learn how to make this easy and simple chicken pepper soup, keep watching this video. Here are our ingredients: some chicken, onion, pepper soup spice, mixed spice. Please check the description box below for the full ingredient list. Some salt and some seasoning cubes. In a pot, I added my chicken, onion, seasoning cube, peppers, mixed spice, and some salt. I stirred this to combine and I covered it up and let it cook for 5 minutes. Please cook on low heat to prevent this from burning. I added some dried peppers and I stirred to combine. I covered this up and let it cook for 3 minutes. I added some pepper soup spice and some water. I stirred this together and I let it cook for 5 minutes. My pepper soup is ready. I garnished with some scent leaf and I let it cook for 2 minutes. And voila, our pepper soup is ready to be served. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.